to get this front of the Pontiac out and keep chasing these stupid spot welds. You can see them in this, they're all over here, chasing them all around. Oh, these unibodies are not fun. Exactly what I'm saying, just got that one out, nice and good, clear. And we got another one hidden in here. Looks like it's right there. Now remember, I'm learning on this as well, so cut this out, saw the rust I can get out of this section. Got a frame there, cross member. So I marked here and there where the frame is, because we're not going to be able to use our little tool for making this sit in there. So at those spots we're not going to worry about on the new piece. Those need to be pretty close. Otherwise we should be able to fit this thing in pretty good. So let's see what we can do. Alright, so here fits pretty nice right there. We're kind of fudging it around. Looks pretty good. I'm going to try to find where the spot welds were on this. Hopefully I can get them out before. I don't think there's one there, but we're going to trace, because last time we didn't trace. We traced right along it with no extra room. We tried 3/8 gap. We're going to try a paint stick thickness. Just learn something. Oops. Something every day. But at least it'll be better than that last time, because that was awful. So I'm going to finish marking this out and I'll be right back. Alright, so there we are. Pretty well laid out. I marked where the frame was so I can remember. Because there should be, oh, you know what we forgot? That one right there. Don't want to forget that one. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to wire brush nice and clean right where those areas should be, so that I can try to find the spot welds and drill them out. A little less fighting this time. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but technically that one doesn't need to come out. So we're going to leave it. I'm going to center punch these, try to drill them out. Alright, we got all those drilled, so we'll cut the frame or the square out and see if she's loose. So we got it cut. Looks like there's still something holding us back. Do a little touch up and see what I can do. Alright, so I cut on the far side of the line so I can trim it down to fit once I have the indentions done on the floor on the inside. That way I can have extra. Last time having too little was not good, so we're gonna, but man, that little hole, plug hole bit really comes in handy. I like that. But that's way better. So let's fit her up, huh? Well, we got this in here, measuring it out. We're definitely too big, so that's perfect. That's good to know. I think we're going to be able to do pretty good on this. So I'm going to first clean up this piece. Alright, that one's got the edges all cleaned up. Nice to sit flat, hopefully. Alright, now to use that beast, make it sit nice and flat. What this is doing, adding this ridge, and which is also adding rigidity. So we're going to set that piece and it should sit down in there and it'll make it stronger. You don't have to do this, but in my opinion it's better. You can fill the gap. I'm not fond of that, but you can. So I'm going to finish this up all along here, all around, as much as I can. Obviously I can't get in here, and that's what I was talking about, where we're going to have to make it fit. That's okay. I'll go ahead and do this, and I'll show you how it sits. Alright, so it sits in there really nice. We're a little off, but not much. I mean, that's just a gap. That's something to weld to, which I like. But you see how that's not sitting there nice and tight? That is because of that spot here, between here and here. Remember how we said that was off? We need to grind it down to these white line, the bottom of this white line, so it sits nice and flush. Not a big deal at all. I have the tools for that. We need to do it also from here around to right here, I believe. Again, it's not a big deal. Just got a little stuff to fill, but that's part of doing these floors. That's why we get paid to do it. So I'll trim those and be back at you. Well, there she is. Nice little fit. Nice and tight. Push her down, tack her in. Bada bing, bada boom. Got a little bit of holes to fill, but nothing compared to what we could have. I like it. Yeah. Well, there she is, all tacked in. Now I just got a whole lot of welding to do and grinding to do, make it all look pretty. I got another piece to do up there. A little bit more to do in here. I'll show the next set in the next videos. Thanks for watching.